Consulting and system integrations services. What are the consulting and system integration services? How do you can integration means how you can combine the services over there. And what are the consultation services? Consulting means like mashwara, shura mashwara, to give some
Yeah,
advice,
advice. Yeah.
advising. Yeah, okay. Even large firms do not have resources for full range of support for new complex infrastructure. Sometimes you have a big companies like even SCC, Mobile, and all this one. They also sometimes lacking different technology, so they outsource it. Outsource means like they ask the different like VMware companies or Dell company or IBM company that we need these services. So they give contracts to them, 1 year contract, 2 year contracts to them, and they sell their products to it, and they give their services. So when the contracts finishes, so they stop working on it, so they can renew it or they can go for another company as well, being checking the satisfactory level of it. So even large firms do not have resources for full range of support for new complex infrastructure. Leading consulting firms: Accenture, IBM Global Services, HP, Infosys, Wipro Technology. So these are the different existing technologies which helps consultation, which helps like the small companies for providing the solutions for it. So sometime if you start a business, okay, small digital business over there, and you think that I need some of the services which I cannot afford, which I cannot make my own self, so you can take help from the leading consulting firms. So what are the leading consulting firms? Accenture, IBM Global Services, HP, Infosys, Wipro Technology. So these are the leading organization which can help on the in the consultation for you. So software integration, how to integrate the different softwares like ERP and CRM if you want to combine it, or supply chain value. So how you can do all these things. So there is some software integration, or we call it docking system. Docking means just like the ship docks to the beach or the corniche over there. So there is also like a docking system for the different software so that they can work together. So ensure new infrastructure works with the legacy system. So how the new system should work with the old system. Legacy means the old system. So legacy system is equal to the older TPC created by the mainframe that would be too costly to replace or to resign. So sometime the legacy old system created for the mainframe that would be too costly to replace or design. Sometimes they are very costly to redesign the old software. So it is better to work with the legacy one and to connect the new software with the old one. So how to do it? So this company will help you to connect your old software with the new one through some docking systems over there.